How to get unbanned from Grindr. Hello and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. Before you try to get unbanned from Grindr, you have to understand why you were banned in the first place. Grindr usually bans someone if they notice some type of suspicious or robot-like behavior from their account. So if you have been conducting suspicious activities such as swiping too much or maybe crossing the limit or anything as such, in that case, Grindr could put a limitation to your account. And there are two types of ban: temporary ban and other one is permanent ban. If it's a temporary ban, it can usually be fixed by changing your IP address. Or maybe a couple of seconds later you can try to log in and you will be good. But if it's a permanent ban, then in that case, even Grindr themselves won't be able to help you with it. So fortunately, if you're lucky, there are a couple of things you can try. The first one is try to change your IP address because they could have banned your phone from accessing this service. To change the IP address, you can simply switch from one Wi-Fi connection to another. If that's not the option for you, you can just try to turn on mobile data to see if that actually helps. If that doesn't help as well, what you can do is changing your IP address by using your VPN. If you have any VPN application installed, then you can simply open any VPN app. It doesn't have to be a specific one. Then you just have to tap on the connect option. Next time when you come back to Grindr app, tap the button and try to log in. You should be good. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.